All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So, due to popular demand and after careful research and findings, Authentic Media has decided to join Coresage Smart Contract. So, what is Coresage Smart Contract? Coresage Smart Contract simply means a smart contract project ecosystem whereby you jump on it with little amount of core token and start earning free core for yourself from your upline, from your downline, from spillovers, from overflow, and so on and so forth, right? So, it is a smart contract based project, which means that nobody has access over your funds. Automatically your funds is in a safe place and in a safe hands, and you have nothing to lose right here. So all you have to do is just to commit little amount of core to the smart contract and you will start earning your revenue from it. It's as simple as that. This is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not an investment platform where they will tell you bring 2k get 10k, bring 5k get 100k, or return all this Ponzi scheme ROI. No, this is a pure smart contract based project. So for those of you guys that did Coresage, that was around 2020 thereabout, a lot of people gather a lot of Ethereum tokens from that Coresage project, though many of us were not in the crypto space by then, but I know a lot of people that made a lot of Ethereum from there. All right, though the value was low then and many people never knew the value. So this particular one was built under CoreDAO blockchain. So Coresage was built under Ethereum blockchain, then this particular Coresage was built under core blockchain. So what you are going to be committing right here is core DAO token, and you are going to be earning core. So as at the time of recording this video, let me open my core dashboard, because if you take a look at my screen, you can see that I've already funded my wallet with 62 core. So that is it, and that is the minimum amount you can join. The minimum amount you can join Coresage is $60, 60 core, right? So what you are saying right here, one core is $0.08. That is one piece of core as at the time of making this particular video. And for those of you guys that have been in this space 3 years ago, that was sometime in 2023 2024, when core rewarded the community, core all-time high was $6 point something, and it has dipped to this extent. So this is the best time to join the smart contract and start earning core for yourself. So this particular core made a lot of people millionaires in this airdrop space, though I was unable to participate in the project. But this particular Coresage is a leverage for all of us that didn't do the core airdrop, or most of you guys that have already sold your tokens. This Coresage will give you the avenue to accumulate as many core tokens for yourself, right? Because this particular year, this 2026, there are a lot of speculations that core is going to do all-time high more than what it has done. So just imagine you having 100 pieces of core, 1,000 pieces of core, 10,000 pieces of core, and core go as high as $5, $10. You know, is a very big thing for yourself, right? So like I said, you have nothing to lose right here because it's a pure smart contract project. So this is how you get started. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description section and comment section of this particular video so that you get yourself started immediately. So all you have to do is just to copy the link and head straight to the wallet you want to use. So the best wallet that you can use for this particular smart contract is either your OKS Web3 wallet or your Token Pocket or your BitGate Web3. But for me, I'm making use of my OKS Web3 wallet because I really love this particular wallet and everything it entails, right? So once you copy the link, you head straight to the wallet you want to use. But before you proceed, you must have funded your core account, or you must have funded your core wallet with 60, at least minimum of 60 core. So as at the time of recording this video, I have 62, and that is equivalent to $5.12 right here. All right, so you just fund your wallet with 60 core. If you don't really know how to fund it, you can reach out to me and I will walk you through. So for those of you guys that don't really have core but you want to join, I have vendors that will do it for you with as cheap as 8,000 naira. They are going to be funding your wallet with 60 core, 61 or 62, and you get yourself started in this smart contract immediately. But if you have core, or if you can be able to buy from anywhere, any exchange or whatever, just go ahead and fund your core. Just go ahead and fund your wallet with 60 core, then you can proceed. So like I said, as you all can see, my wallet is already funded, so I'm good to go. So the first thing you have to do is, once you fund your wallet, or before you have not funded your wallet, you may not see core right here. Maybe probably the reason why you are seeing this right here is that because I've already enabled core right here. So if you are not on this smart contract, or if you don't see anything like core right here, all you have to do is just to scroll up to the last, then click on this button that says manage crypto. So this is what you have to do first before you fund it. So if you click on manage crypto, then you come to this search bar right here, then you type core. Okay, so let me just search for it. Just type core, then you will see this particular first one that says core with this particular symbol. Then you just have to tap on this plus button, turn it to minus. So this is how it is going to be. Let me just off it. So hope you guys have seen it. I've already removed it in my dashboard. So this is how you are going to see it. Once you see it like this, all you have to do is just to tap on it. All right, you can see I've already added it back. It's very simple. So once you add it, then you come back to your dashboard and it will appear at down button right here. You can see it at bottom here, at upper place. You just see it anywhere, then you tap on it. Then after tapping on it, then you copy your address. Okay, copy this address and send it to anybody that will fund your wallet. Or if I'm the one, then reach out to me and forward it so that we'll fund you and we'll proceed. It's as simple as that. So once you are done funding your wallet, the next thing you have to do is to come to this particular search bar right here and paste the link that I'm going to be dropping in the description section and comment section of this particular video. So let me just paste the link of my upliner because I've already gotten it. It's as simple as that. So let me tap on it. Then it will now take us to the interface where we are going to be connecting our wallet and join the smart contract. Is as simple as that. All right, so here it is. You guys can see here, you can see something like referral ID. That is the ID of my upliner. And you can see this particular one that says register for 60 core. So like I said, all you need is just 60 core to get yourself positioned right here. Less than $5, or let's just say $5, all right? Approximately 8,000 naira in Nigerian currency. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this particular one that says connect wallet, all right? So that you connect your wallet. Then you choose the wallet that you want to use. That is the wallet that you have already pasted the link. So for me, I'm going to use my OKS wallet. Then I'll click on Core DAO. So you can see connected to Core network. So you wait for them to load you up, and my wallet is already showing right here. So hope you guys are seeing it. My wallet is already connected. So the next thing is to click on this button that says register for 60 core. So I'll tap on register for 60 core. Let me wait for them to register me. So it's already bringing up the connection. All right, so I will click on confirm, verify my fingerprint, and you can see transaction submitted, transaction confirmed. Check on Explorer. So wait for them to take you to your dashboard. It's as simple as that. So now here is my own dashboard, and they've already brought me to my complete interface. Hope you guys are seeing it. So the next thing right here is for you to click on this particular one that says proceed to dashboard, so that you will see your full dashboard. Then I'll click on proceed to dashboard. Okay, so let me move ahead to my dashboard. Okay guys, beautiful. So hope you guys are seeing it. The interface is very clean and neat, and here is everything you can see right here. So total pool 60.64. You can see reward claim, you can see claim reward now, copy link, S3 matrix, so on and so forth. So this is just it. So there are a lot of levels right here, but we are going to be talking about those ones in our previous updates. So for now, it's just for you to join. So I've already joined right now, and I have 0.20 core to claim even without doing nothing right here. So you can click on this 3 dotted line right here to still see your dashboard and still the main thing right here. All right, so you just have to join, and if you have your family and friends that you want to bring up on this particular smart contract, all you have to do is just to click on copy link. All right, you tap on it, then you copy your link, then you share it with your family, your friends, your colleagues, your partners, everybody. All right, so as they're also coming on board, you are still going to be getting more reward for it. So as at the time of recording this video, you guys can see the number of people on this particular smart contract. Total claimed core is 25.674 thousand core, and recipients of this particular one today is 29.78 thousand people. All right, so that is just basically that. So for now, all you have to do is just to get yourself onboarded in this particular Coresage. All right, so this particular one is for those that will upgrade their level. It is still advisable to upgrade your level so that you increase your earning, but all these ones are not financial advice. So to take yourself to level 2 will cost you extra 60 core. So if you have 60 core, you can proceed with it and upgrade your level. The more level you upgrade for yourself, the more core you earn daily, even though you don't refer people. So this is where the big guys in the game get it very, very okay, because they don't really have to stress themselves to refer people. So they'll just upgrade their level and they will start earning massively daily. But if you can be able to refer your family and friends, every other persons to the project, as they are still coming up, you are still going to be leveraging on this particular Coresage. So it is very, very essential that we all jump on it and accumulate a good number of core for ourselves, before core peaks to its all-time high. Like I said, there are a lot of speculations that core is going to go parabolic this 2026 and beyond. All right, so just make sure you position yourself in this particular smart contract called Coresage. All right, so more updates are going to be dropping in this particular project. That's just basically that. But for now, get yourself onboarded, and if you really need our support or our assistance in funding your account, just reach out to me in my DM. Either drop your message in the comment section of this particular video and I will respond to you, or reach out to me on any of our platform, or Telegram, or WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you and we'll get everything sorted out. But if you can be able to do everything on your own, just follow step by step how I did everything and get yourself positioned in this particular smart contract. Believe me, it is going to worth it. Like, we are going to get a lot of core tokens right here. That is just the major aim of this particular smart contract, to accumulate enough core for ourselves. So if you have like 1,000 core and core go $5, that is pretty $5,000 for you, free of charge. And you don't have to necessarily have to claim everything right here. If you just tap on, let's just click on claim reward now. Let's see. But on a norm, they used to credit your account automatically. Okay, let me just confirm so that I will. Okay, let me just claim this particular one. So whether you claim or not, transaction submitted, transaction confirmed. So whether you claim or not, your core right here will be automatically credited to your wallet. Is as simple as that. All right, so get on board in this particular Coresage project, and I will see you guys in our next video. Like I said, more updates will be dropping, so get yourself positioned, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, enjoy yourself, and bye for now.